deadly, like deadly good.
Hi guys, I'm Priyanka. Now I often think about Shahi or Nawabi Khana and wonder what the food during the times of the Nawabs was like. उनके बावर्ची कैसे होते थे, उनके तौर तरीके कैसे होते थे, and more importantly, what were the scrumptious dishes that they served their Nawabs. Now we can't roll back in time, can we? But today, I am at ITC Grand Central's Kebabs and Curries to relish their Daawat-E-Shareef food festival, which are heirloom recipes of Chef Mohammed Shareef. After the unlock, many restaurants in India have started following extra safety measures. We had a word with Amit Kumar, General Manager ITC Grand Central, regarding their cleanliness protocols.
So our safety measures is under the guideline of We Assure. The We Assure is ITC Hotel promise for health, safety and hygiene. So the entire protocol starts from the main door when a guest enters. A thermal scanning, a temperature check of every guest is done before he enters the hotel. In the same protocol of sanitization at the entrance. And then in restaurant, when you see, you have something called welcome separator, which separates two tables, keeps safe distancing. Restaurants are actually sanitized before and after the meal. Every table after use are sanitized.
As part of Reassure, ITC hotels have also provided customers with digital scan menus so that contactless ordering is possible. And the cutlery and crockery is also given wrapped, which you can open yourself. Arjun, thanks so much for joining me. I'm so excited to share this meal with you.
Actually, I should be thanking you for having me on this video because that looks spectacular.
So Arjun, what are you most excited about?
Okay, I think I'm looking forward to the Gilawat kebab.
Now kebabs, Arjun, are a very integral part of Awadhi cuisine.
Okay, let's do this.
Let's do this.
It's just so soft, huh? It just
It
breaks
is
so
just
easily.
melting in your mouth.
Absolutely right. Just the right amount of spices. I think there's that little kick
Yes.
of spice towards the end, but it is so tender, so juicy.
We couldn't have started on a more perfect note.
Absolute.
What next?
You know, I think we've,
I'm just confused what to go for next, but I think the fish is calling out to me and the prawns there looks delectable as well. This, I believe, is ajwaini jinga. And I'm going to tuck into some machli tikka, guys.
That looks really good.
That
So
looks really good,
why don't
soft
you
and flaky.
go first and then I'll try the prawn.
So good, so good. Subtle spices, beautifully flavored, and the fish is just cooked so perfectly. What about your jinga?
Very different from the normal tikkas. I think the best part is, you know, it's not spicy. It has that balanced flavor throughout, and the prawn is so very well cooked, juicy.
Arjun, after the seafood, thoda chicken kha liya jaye?
Absolutely. I think let's do the murgangar.
1, 2, 3.
It is so good. I'm at a loss of words actually. It's so juicy.
Wow. We had a fantastic first course. Arjun, ready for round 2?
That is a lot of food, but always ready.
I'm slightly intimidated, I must say, but I'm also excited.
शुरू करते हैं हलीम से.
So Awadhi cuisine is all about slow cooking, and this is the truest, purest testimony of that. This, I'm told, has been cooked overnight. Oh my God.
This is deadly, like deadly good.
I have a confession to make. I'm not a big fan of halim, but this is just so good. It's very rich. I don't think you can have more than a bowl, or maybe he can have.
I can.
I don't think I can have more than, 2 to 3 bites, but yummy. We should go in for some greens. What say?
Do we have to? You know, the best part is I've just come.
Mommy
to
is
eat.
going to be so proud of Arjun. A classic version of palak paneer. Again, beautiful flavors of palak, paneer, all-time vegetarian favorite. I'm pretty sure a lot of people believe that, Awadhi cuisine is all about the meat,
Correct?
but for sure not. Arjun, are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Yes, I think we're pretty much thinking about the same thing.
We should attack it.
This is the
Dum ki ran.
dum ki ran. Yes.
And it is looking phenomenal.
Fantastic. And I think
This-
it's also their
Signature dish. So the chef has told me that in true Awadhi style, this lamb leg has been braised and then cooked in the tandoor and then topped off with this beautiful nutty gravy. This is just falling off the bone. Again, speaks volumes of the slow cooking technique. It just melted in my mouth, and those sweet onions are really doing some magic there. Arjun, I know you can't have enough of this, but I think we should dive into the biryani next.
absolutely.
Yeah? Shall I
correct.
unveil?
Please.
There you
There
go.
we go.
Wow. The saffron just hits you, right? Immediately. And it's so subtle. I
Absolutely.
think this would really go well with the dal bukhara as well. What do you think?
I actually beg to differ. I really like this as it is. It's very light and the mutton is cooked fabulously.
After such a heavy main course, dessert was definitely on the cards. But in order to make some place for dessert, we decided to take a quick walk around the restaurant. And I took that opportunity to meet the man behind Daawat-E-Shareef, Senior Master Chef Mohammed Shareef.
ये खाना काफ़ी साल पुराना है, जो मुग़ल के टाइम से चल रहा है। अब उस खाने को हम लोग आगे ले जा रहे हैं और इसमें एकदम स्लो कुकिंग में पकता है। और इस खाने में क्या है कि एकदम फाइन है, आपके मुंह में लौंग, इलायची, दालचीनी, मतलब मसाले नहीं आएंगे, मसालों का अरोमा आएगा।
Thank you so much, Chef. It was an absolute honor to talk to you, and we absolutely enjoyed our time
Thank
here.
you.
Thank you. 1,
Two.
2. Ta-da!
Ta-da!
I don't know what it is about everything that I'm tasting right now, because everything is just melting in the mouth. Is apricots, and what you see at the bottom is baked yogurt, and
Correct.
it looks absolutely fantastic.
And it's an Awadhi specialty.
Yes. That is phenomenal. I don't think I've tasted something so good in a really long time. I'm going to urge all our viewers who are watching this to please come and experience the Daawat-E-Shareef at Kebabs and Curries at the ITC Grand Central at Parel in Mumbai till the 20th of December.
Please visit.
Mark that date.
Yeah, and this feast was an absolutely memorable one.
Yeah. Speaking of feasts, don't you have your next season coming up of Foodie and the Feast? Do you want
Yes.
to tell our viewers a little bit about it?
Yes, so please go and watch Foodie and the Feast on the Foodie. First season already aa chuka hai, and second season abhi aa jayega very soon. So please go and watch and show us some love.